Now introducing SMRTIPLX Video Smart Lock S398, a revolutionary 4-in-1 device that combines a smart lock, video doorbell, security camera, and 24/7 monitoring system into one sleek unit. But does it truly deliver to its promises? Let's dive in and find out. Now inside the box, you'll find the smart lock unit, the indoor 3.5-inch HD display monitor, the wireless charm, mounting hardware, and the user manual. Now this actually boasts a premium aluminum alloy. It has a casing with brass lock cylinder, ensuring both durability and modern aesthetic. So now what we have here is a kind of like a dummy mounting stand. Now the smart lock works on any deadbolt slot like so. If it doesn't fit, they do come with a stencil that you can use to kind of cut out the holes that you need for the smart lock. Now step one is obviously to use this guy right here. Keep it upright like this. It does say up. There's an up arrow right there, as you can see. There it is. Once that's done, next step is to install the keypad. Make sure as well that your wires are coming in through the hole like so. There it is, and then now you're just aligning it, make sure that it's leveled, and then also that it's flat on the side like so. Next step is to grab the plate, this plate right here. Basically this is where you're gonna screw it on to the back. 2 screws right there, tighten it up, and you're good to go. And then the last step is just hooking up the wires onto the inside part of the lock. And then it's more of a latch. Press down and then pull down. That's how it's aligned. Like so. Now this also offers multiple unlocking methods, like fingerprint recognition up here. Stores up to 100 fingerprints for quick access. It also does the pin code like so, where you can set personalized codes for family and guests. There's the RFID fob cards as well that you can just tap so that you can open the doors. This is very convenient for children and elderly. It also has voice control, where it's compatible with Alexa for hands-free operation. Of course, you can't forget the physical key, where you can use the key access for backup like so. And of course, best of all, the 3.5-inch indoor HD display allows residents to see visitors in real time without needing a smartphone, enhancing safety for all household members. Now, pairing the lock with the mobile app is seamless, granting you control over user access, real-time video feed, and activity logs. So you can also set temporary codes for maybe if there's a construction in your home, guests, or deliveries.
Now, when we're talking about video quality, in my opinion, it's not so great versus other brands. Now, SMRTIPLX chose this because they're able to put in the best-in-class safety and versatility at a very competitive cost with solid image performance. They also have infrared loitering detection so that when someone is kind of loitering in front of your house, it'll give you a notification.
It also has two-way audio so that you can communicate with visitors directly through the app. And the other thing that I love is the remote access. You can monitor and control your door from anywhere via the app. Now, some of the pros here is that it has comprehensive 4-in-1 functionality, multiple unlocking methods, It has a real-time indoor display for added security. It has a durable and weather-resistant design. Of course, I'm cheap, so I love that it doesn't have subscription fees for cloud storage. Now, some of the cons here is it has a slight learning curve with the app interface. Currently, it doesn't have a support for Apple HomeKit, and the video delay is about 1 to 2 seconds on slower Wi-Fi connections. But for the most part, when I was using it, it works most of the time. Now, security is paramount because it has an encrypted video feed which protects your privacy. It also has a tamper alarm. Well, it will alert you when unauthorized access attempts. And 24/7 monitoring, which continuous surveillance with motion detection and video recording. Now, this device is designed with real-life needs in mind, ensuring peace of mind without compromising on convenience. Now, if you're seeking an all-in-one smart home solution that offers security, convenience, and advanced features without breaking the bank, this might be the one for you. Its blend of functionality and affordability makes it a standout in the smart lock market. Now, if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. If you have any questions about this S398 or any other smart home devices, I'll see you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace!